Hi and welcome back to my channel BengaCraft. Today I just wanted to show you one or two things that I've got in the process. I've just demolded this bowl using QuickCast. These three items over here have been made out of QuickCast Ultra, which is the latest QuickCast that we've got available, and they've been drying now for about 3 days. I've also taken the silicone rubber and I've made a mold using a master bowl, and I've now been able to replicate what I made the mold of. And I could use this for resin, I could use this for CeraCast, and I could use this for QuickCast. We've plugged the bottom of the hole. It can also be used for wax, and it would also make for a very nice bowl for a candle. Over here we've got a picture frame that is also made out of some kind of ceramic. I'm going to mix up some silicone resin tomorrow morning and make a mold, and then I will make a follow-up video after that showing me using the CeraCast or QuickCast in the mold that I've made, making another one of these. I'll make another video to show you that. In the meantime, I've got the same three beige products over there that I made in QuickCast, I've made in CeraCast, and I'm now going to demold it. I don't have my stand set up, so I will come back to you and show you the demolded products. So I'm back again. The QuickCast are the ones in the front, and the CeraCast ones are the ones at the back. You can see the color difference. The one difference is that the one has been drying for 3 days already. The other one I've literally just demolded. So it's probably going to be better for me to do a comparative photograph or video in a week's time to compare once they've both cured for 7 days to see what the difference is. But there's quite a nice difference between the two, and you might be able to notice the gloss as well on the CeraCast ones compared to the matte finish on the QuickCast. I will be back soon to show you more. Thanks for watching.